How to turn on or off auto brightness on our iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will guide you on how you can turn on or off auto brightness on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now auto brightness is actually a little bit different option than a normal brightness. So basically when you want to change the brightness, you simply slide this toggle, and if you long press on it, you have the options to turn on true tone, to turn on night shift, or to actually enable dark mode, right? But you can see I don't have the option of auto brightness over here. Now most people, what they do is that they simply open up their settings and then they go to the option called display and brightness, and they expect the auto brightness feature to be over here inside of the settings application. But keep in mind that you don't actually find the auto brightness feature inside display and brightness. It is actually hidden, and in order to find it, you have to go to the option called accessibility. Once you go to accessibility, at the very top now you can see display and text size. You want to go here, and it is on this specific page where you will find the option of auto brightness. To find it, just scroll down to the bottom. You can see the option called auto brightness. You can just turn this feature on or off if you want to, and auto brightness will be successfully enabled or disabled based on the light environment you're currently in. This is how you can turn on or off auto brightness on your iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.